Women of 50 years old can look as young as 20-year-old girls with this natural cream. It erases wrinkles, removes dullness, and makes your skin glowing. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For this recipe, first we will need 1 egg. Crack the egg and separate the egg white. We only need the egg yolk. It helps remove dullness and fight against wrinkles. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey. It brightens your skin and also helps reduce wrinkles. Mix well. Now our magical anti-aging face cream is ready. How to use: apply this to your face in the evening and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then wash it off with water. Repeat this process daily for 10 days, and you'll be amazed by the results in just 5 days of use. Women in their 60s look as young as 20-year-old girls with this natural cream. It erases wrinkles and dullness and makes your skin glow. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For this recipe, first we need 1 egg. Crack the egg and separate the yolk. We only need the egg white. It helps remove dullness and fight wrinkles. Then add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. It rejuvenates the skin and helps reduce dark spots. Mix well. Now our magical anti-aging face mask is ready. How to use: apply this mask to your face in the evening and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then wash it off with water. Repeat this process daily for 7 days, and you'll be amazed by the result. Grow your hair in just 15 days with this natural recipe. This recipe is suitable for all hair types. Bookmark this video before it disappears. First, we will need fresh rosemary. Put the rosemary into a saucepan. Then add about 2 tablespoons of rice. Rice helps nourish the scalp from the roots and promotes hair growth up to 4 inches per month. Next, add 8 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. Finally, add 1 cup of water and let all the ingredients boil on medium heat for 10 minutes. Once boiled, strain the mixture using a fine strainer and transfer it into a spray bottle. How to use: spray this on your scalp and massage gently for 10 minutes, then wash it off with water. Repeat this process twice a week for 1 month, and you'll be amazed by the results in just 15 days. Banana and cornstarch can make your skin look younger, just like a baby girl's skin. They also help fight wrinkles and dullness. Bookmark this video before it disappears. First, we will need 1 banana. Peel the banana and cut it into pieces. Transfer the banana into an electric mixer and blend well until it turns into a smooth paste. For demonstration, take 1 tablespoon of banana paste. You can make more as needed. Then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Cornstarch helps exfoliate the skin and fight wrinkles. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of honey, which helps give your skin a natural glow. Mix everything well. Now our magical natural cream is ready. How to use it: apply this on your face in the morning and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then wash off with water. Use this daily for 15 days and you'll be amazed by the results.